YouTube, back at it again. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the headliner back up. And he got the interior that came in the other day. That's the little panel pieces right there that he got done in black. And I'll show you the headliner. That's it right here. And it's gonna go up in a minute, and I'm gonna turn it back on whenever I get it in. All right, YouTube. All right, I got it up. Let's see how it looks a little bit. All right. And another thing about working on these old cars, a lot of parts break, pieces break. So what you see right there, just got some grip pliers holding that light fixture in just to keep it up while I work with trying to get all the other stuff buttoned up, the trim and stuff. But that's it. And then I'm gonna start working on these little panels right here. They go on the side right here. And so look on that side. And these little clips right here. Like whenever you're taking it down, you just, some stuff I didn't see, and some of them broke. But I had one that stayed intact pretty good, so I used that one right there. And you know, if you ever, you know, take one down, you gotta make sure you go ahead and take these out. Go ahead and take these out first before you start trying to call yourself trying to make it come down, because that's what holds it up while you putting up your moldings and stuff. And here I had one right here I didn't even see I had intact. That one is pretty good right there. And this one is broke right there. And this one right here. So it's 4, look like 6, like the little, I guess they call like rivets that holds the headline up. So I'm gonna turn it back on when I get everything up. I got most of it put up. And this is what it came out to be. I did that trim right there. And then went ahead and got the back straight. I got a few little gaps because of the clips. Some of the clips had broke, so I just got it up for right now to see what all I need. And I'm gonna get some clips for it. And I went ahead and did that side over there, that trim. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, got the front did. Like I said, it's the way the guy did the vinyl on the pillars. Now I know not to get, if somebody else want to get them done, not to get it vinyl, because it takes up a lot of space and it won't fit flush. But for the most part, it ain't that bad. You know, like I said, I'm kind of, you know, still new to it a little bit, but we getting there. And then I'm gonna get all that straight. Got to find out these little pieces right here. So it's like a little clip that this bezel snaps to. Got to get the little clips for that. And then and that's pretty much it. And then next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and work on the carpet. He got black, so I'm gonna go in and get that taken care of in the next video. And that's what it came out to be. Got the seats done already. That's gonna be in a new video, in the next video. I'm gonna show you the color that he went to. So you know, like, share, you know, comment, tell me what you think. You know, I know that, like I said, the vinyl, it's not too bad of a job, but this it's like it just takes up a like little clearances spaces, but it looks good. You know, he didn't do nothing wrong. You know, it looked real good. When everything get put in, this car gonna look real nice. He planned on putting it in car shows and stuff, so I hope he do pretty good with it. And this is what my wife got me for my Father's Day gift. She got me that, and she got me like a little a easy cart. I think that's the name of it. You sit on it or roll on it, lay down, roll on it, whatever. Yeah, she got me that for Father's Day. It's pretty nice. See, I had tools laying around everywhere. But you know, I love this, man. So y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. You know, I'm at 52 right now as I speak, but I came a long way. I was at, I think, 16 a couple months ago, about a month ago or so, and I see it's taking off pretty good. I'm gonna keep at it. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out.